So hello and welcome back to today's tutorial or today's tips. Did you know that there is a way that you can be able to access all the settings of your computer in one location? With just a single click, you can be able to access all the settings in your desktop or your laptop computer. So how do you do this? In any location in your computer, you just create a new folder. So you right click, then you go to new, and then you click on new folder. And then under the name of folder, you're going to change to this code. You just write this code. So you say God mode, then full stop. Then you're going to say, start with a bracket. Then you're going to say ed 7BA, then 470 hyphen, then 8E54 hyphen, then 465E hyphen, then 825C hyphen, then you're going to write 99712043E01C, and then you're going to close that bracket, and then you just enter. Then you have that button there, or that button that looks like a control panel. So if you click this one, you'll be able to see that you can be able to access all the setting, the administrative tools, the autoplay, the backup and install, the BitLocker. You'll be able to access all the settings in your computer. So that is all for today. Remember to follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and keep watching, sharing, commenting for more tutorials to come. Thank you for your time.